Hello, just wanted to make a short video of what I did with the Goldwing. Just try to ignore all the junk in my garage. It is full. Normally, most bikes at the bottom come with this regular running reflector. I'm a little bit paranoid about being rear-ended. Years ago, I was rear-ended on a bike and sent flying into an intersection, luckily not hurt seriously. And so I had this light I've had for a couple of weeks now. I blew out a fuse and it scared me. I'm not an electrician or very experienced with automotive, and so I was quite hesitant to actually wire this thing in. Finally, after thinking about it for a while and relaxing, I realized I could do it as long as I used some precautions not to blow things out and damage the bike. So here it goes. Let me get down here and get my rope. So anytime I hit my brake, people behind me will see this. It is a it's not Whelen brand, but it's a Whelen type of light, not unlike they use on many emergency vehicles. So it will have a flash pattern. It's down low, so hopefully it doesn't irritate people. Through some Google searches, I found that actual flash pattern might not technically be legal in California. That's fine. There is a wire, for those that are familiar with this light, that on the back, that each time you ground it, it allows you to access 15 different flash patterns, which includes just solid red pattern. So that's fine. If I find that I'm irritating people behind me, or God forbid get stopped for having it, I will access that wire, ground it, and choose a different pattern. So I just wanted to show what I do. This will kind of give you an idea of what they'll see when they're behind me, especially at night. That should draw their attention that, hey, that motorcyclist stopped in front of you. Unless, of course, they're watching, I don't know, this video or checking their Facebook, then they will probably cream me anyways. Alrighty. Guys, have a good day.